Worshipful Brother Joey Pereira, go ahead.
I'm worshipful brother Jose B. Ferrer of Kapatiran Lodge 228 in Cabanatuan City. I've been in Masonry for 45 years. I was raised May 1st, 1979 and affiliated in Acacia Lodge number 430 in Toronto, Canada in 1991. Worshipful Master of Acacia Lodge 1998 and a past master and currently the treasurer of Acacia Lodge 430. I was one of the organized the Kapatiran chapter Order of Demolay in Cabanatuan City, sponsored by Kapatiran Lodge number 228. I'm the first chapter dad and member of Supreme Council Order of Demolay and